All right, in this quick review, we're going to take a look at two new cars for 2022, both from Hot Wheels and both wagons, both import wagons. Up first, we have the Nissan Maxima drift car wagon. This is brand new this year. It's pretty cool. I'm really liking this one. And then we have this Volvo 240 wagon, drift wagon. It's pretty cool too. So I thought, you know what? Let's do a little versus, right? Which one do you like more? Let's take a peek here. All right, pretty cool. Oh wow. All right, so it's got like you can see like carburetors kind of hanging out, the Weber carburetors hanging out through the hole in the hood. It has a full detailed, again, chrome interior, which I hate. There's some exhaust pipes maybe sticking out the back. There you go, Volvo 240 drift wagon. It's pretty cool. I like the side exit exhaust. And is that, oh, okay, I thought it was ghost flames. There's like a tampo printing pattern on the car too. You can kind of see it in the light there. Good choice of wheels. These are some of my favorite wheels. Oh, it's mix and match. So we got like a disc style wheel and then a deep dish steely. Pretty cool. Love when they do the headlights and tail lights. I like the clear headlights. So this is the Nissan Maxima. There's the card art. Who cares? Don't care much about the paper. I'm all about the cars, as you know. All right, this is really cool. I'm kind of getting a little burnt out on Nissan wagons, to be honest with you, and Datsuns. I know the folks at Hot Wheels really love them, and I like Nissans and Datsuns a lot. Don't get me wrong, but dang, enough already, right? Except this one is an exception. I am really liking this era Maxima. It's a nice departure from the usual Skylines that I'm really getting tired of. This one's really cool. I like the clear hood. There's some engine detail in there, some interior detail. Again, with the posts in the back for wagons. I hate that. Come on, Hot Wheels. Can't you do like the little clip where it clips in? I'm getting sick of seeing these posts in hatchbacks and wagons. So which one is it? Which one do you like more? Pick your poison. Is it Volvo or Maxima? Leave a comment. Tell me which one is your favorite.